Within building code, can I notch a joist block? I'm replacing a portion of drywall on the ceiling between floors 1 and 2. For the drywall, I plan to add backer boards on edges. The issue is there are joist blocker boards running perpendicular between the joists. Can I legally notch a 1/4 inch within the center 1/3 of the perpendicular joist blocker board? Question from user Habrockets at Stack Exchange. Answer. You are adding nailing edges to the edges of the existing drywall to provide support for the edge of the new drywall sheet and the edge of the existing. A lot of people will just get some 1x4 and span the old sheet to the new sheet. The two sheets then align at the joint. They might not be sucked up as much as if you adding a nailing edge that was connected to the joists, but sheets of drywall are typically supported 16 on center, so at most the existing sheet will have support.